my beautiful people, I hope you guys are fantastic. Karibuni sana to my channel, and today we are going to have a very simple meal kama kawaida. Unajua tu mimi ni mama wa simplicity, sipendangi vitu complicated. We're gonna be making fish wraps, and why are we wasting time? Let's get on it. So we will definitely need some tomatoes. This is half a tomato. I've used green pepper, but very little amount of green pepper. This is zucchini or courgettes, but you can also use cucumbers. That you don't have to do this. And we are going to also have a portion of onions. For our wrap, we will use lettuce. I've cleaned it up. So this is what we're going to use for the wrap. We definitely need fish itself. So we've made the fish in strips. I've cut it in strips already. So we are going to prepare this and then continue. That is a portion of garlic, just 1 clove, black pepper, cumin. You can use or not use. It's really your choice on the spices. Salt is a must, of course. Some olive oil. And oranges. You can use oranges or lemon, and some toothpicks to hold on to the wrap. So we are going to marinate the fish. We're going to add on the garlic. You can add all of it or just a little. Get some salt on it. With the salt, I could say you use half a spoon, but I really say that you know when you need enough salt. So I leave the salt to you to decide how much is enough for you. Remember that too much salt is also detrimental, so just enough for your food. A 1/4 spoon of black pepper. With the black pepper, it's really your choice how much you need on your fish. Depends on how much spiciness you like. We're going to add some cumin. That's enough. Take your orange. The tanginess and zest of the orange definitely makes a difference in this particular fish. So remember, you can use lemon or you can use an orange. For me, I love oranges. That's why this is my option. It always has a zing to my taste buds. I just love how the oranges or the lemons taste in my mouth. So it just gives it a nice zest. You can mix it up. Now this we put in the fridge for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then we come and cook it. As I told you, I am using courgettes or zucchini, but you can also use cucumber. When you're using cucumber, you definitely don't need to cook. But for me, I don't like to eat the zucchini or when they are uncooked. So this time I have to sort of do a little fry so that it is fried a little, just a little, at least 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm able to put it in the wraps. So that's what we're going to start to do. As you have seen, I use very little oil, so I use my brush to sort of spread it on the pan. Remember, we don't want to fry the zucchinis for a long time. You just want them to have to be crunchy, but at the same time to be a little cooked. I like them a little cooked. So what we want for the onions is for them to brown a little, and then we'll put in our zucchini for some time, and from there we can remove them. We're going to add our zucchini. Add a little salt on them, just a little, not too much. As you can see, they are browning, and that's what we needed for them. And so these are ready to remove. You still want them to retain the crunchiness and the green look. but probably not be too raw, because zucchinis of course need to be cooked, so the browning is perfect. We have made the onions and the zucchini or courgettes. And finally, we are going to now be working on the fish. So we start with some oil because we're going to be pan frying it. So place your strips. So let them cook on one side and then you can turn them. So check on them and turn them. So remove your fish because it is ready. And that's ready for wrapping. So take your lettuce that we are going to use as a wrap. You're just going to do a few placements of your fish inside. Remember, there's no formula in putting them inside. We're going to take the tomatoes. My hands are clean, so I like the tomatoes raw. That's why we didn't cook them. You can put them in there like that. You can add on now the zucchini and the onions that you cooked and place them inside. And some nice onions. The orange that we talked about, you can still use the zest. So press on and at the top. Like that. And then you wrap it. And take the toothpick. So that's the other wrap. And your raw tomatoes. Your orange for the zest. And take your time to wrap it. And press on there. My fish wraps are ready, and this is my lunch today. I hope you have found it to be as simple as I said it is. Imebakisha tu nienda nikakule. They look very, very, very delicious. I hope you're going to try something that you can do at home. Very simple. Remember me, sipendi vitu complicated. Just something very simple, and it is delicious. Give this video a thumbs up if you love it, and share with your friends. Comment and let me know what other recipes you have that are simple recipes for our weight loss, and they're going to be helpful for us to get to where we are going. Always be a legend and a hero for who? Yourself. Always yourself. Have a fantastic day. God bless you. Ciao. Bye. Mwah.